Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Boxycharm unboxing for you. And yeah, my name is Gabrielle Nicole. For y'all that don't know me, please subscribe. And without further ado, let's get started. Alright. And as usual, when I do my Boxycharms, I will be doing a try-on, and whatever products I don't receive in the box, I will just be doing off camera, like foundation and concealer and things like that. So here we are. This is our box. This is what it looks like when you open it. And right inside you get a 25% off Butter London, and it's got a code on there for our charm users. And then our description card and item card. The theme this month is vacation. And then this is everything. These are the prices, this is the description of the products, everything like that. And I will go over that with you as well. So let's unbox it. Okay, so the first thing that I see in here is this double-decker mascara. This is by Butter London. I feel like this is a really big tube. It says it's 200% thicker lashes and a 314% increase in lash curl. Does that come out? Jeez, dude! What the heck is happening? Oh my gosh, there's another piece of cardboard in there. Alright, here we go. Here's this mascara. So yeah, I feel like that's a really big tube. And this goes for $20. Okay, and then the next thing that I see in here is this South Main 3-Eye Gel Packs that are supposed to reduce puffiness, reduce dark circles, and moisturize the eye area. Says you're supposed to thoroughly cleanse the eye area, leave on for 30 minutes to reduce puffiness and dark circles. Use promptly after opening for best results. Use for 3 consecutive days. Okay, I'm going to be honest, I'm not doing this on camera. I'm not waiting 30 minutes to be doing this. Okay. And let's see how much these are. These go for $10. So $10 for 3 of them. Not bad. And then the next thing that I see in here is this blush by Pretty Vulgar. This packaging is so cute. I love the packaging. And then you open it, and that is the color. I actually really like that color. I feel like that would complement my skin very well. I saw that there's like a more hot pink one that you could get, and I was like, please don't send me that one. I'm too pale for it. So I'm excited that they sent me this one. And this retails for $26. And so the next one that I see in here is the Vintage Cosmetic Company Smoky Eye Brush Set. So this is a pack of 3 brushes. They got a step-by-step. It says use shadow brush to sweep light shimmery color over your lids. Place a darker color onto the angle shadow brush and work into the creases of your eyelid and outer corners. The smudgy brush can be used to blend the 2 shades together, or alternatively use an even darker color to accentuate the crease and add color below your lash line, which pretty much what I would use that kind of stuff for anyway. So, and these retail for $23.15. That's a weird price, but $23.15. Okay, so these are the brushes, and can we be real here? These brushes, like, really, what is the difference? One has a tiny bit of an angle, but they are just so similar. It's like, what? And then you've got this one, which I do like this one. I'll be excited to use that one, but I'm a little confused by these because there's hardly a difference in them, but whatever. Okay, so this is the Boxycharm and Pure palette. And, oh my gosh, I thought I got it open! Don't know why they put so much tape on here. Okay, so this is the palette. And I'm really excited for it. I've been watching this, and it's 5 mattes in there. Nope. Yeah. 5 mattes and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 7 shimmers. But the colors in here are really pretty, so I'm excited to use it. And this Boxy Black, I did not, nobody has mentioned this, at least not anybody that I have seen. But this Boxy Black literally has like blue and purple and orange like shimmer to it. And I have not heard of anybody saying anything about it, but there it is. It's really pretty, and you can't even tell, but it is really pretty. And this palette goes for $36. Okay, so that is it for the unboxing, and the grand total for this month is $115.15. So it's actually a little lower than what I have been having as my normal price range. I'm not really like super happy about this. Like, it's not like the best box, but it's not the worst box either. The two things that I'm excited for are the palette and the blush, and everything else is just kind of like a thing. We'll see about this mascara though, because I really do like getting mascara in subscription boxes, because that's just like one of those things that I don't really want to have to spend money on. So I guess it's cool that, you know, I don't have to, and that they will just send me it. So hopefully it's a good one and it does what it says. So now I will just get going with the try-on, but first I'm going to go through and do my eyebrows and do my foundation and things that are not included in the box. Alright, so now I have gone through and done everything else, and then I did prime my eyes, and I just used the shade Perfect right here with a crease brush, and just kind of put that all over my lid. And so now I will get started with my actual like eyeshadow look. Okay, and so I think that I'm just going to start with the shade called Naked, which is this right here. And I'm just going to take I'm going to be using their brushes, and this is the angled one, and I'm just going to take some of that and apply that to my crease area. That looked like that was going to be a lot more pigmented than it showed up on my eye, to be honest. But that could be a good thing if it'll build up nice, which I've heard that it does, so that's good. There is a little bit of fallout, nothing too crazy, but a little bit. I'm just applying a little bit more of that same color to my crease. Okay, and now I am going to go in with the color Dust, which is this dark brown color right here. I'm just going to use that same brush, and I'm going to mostly try to apply this to the outer corner of my eye. I'm taking a very light hand with this because I don't know how pigmented this will be. So that is really, really pigmented, I feel like, because I just did a little bit and that really darkened this up. And then I'm just kind of blending it as I'm going into the other color. Okay, and now I'm just going to go through with the shade Naked, but I'm going to take my fluffy blending brush, and just so I can kind of lighten the top of it back up a little bit more, and I'm just going to kind of blend that out. This will just remove any harsh lines between the two colors. Okay, and now I'm going to go back through with the flat shader brush that was included in the box, and I'm going to be taking the color BFF, which is this pink color, and I'm just going to take a little bit of that as well. Tap it off, and then I'm just going to kind of apply this like in my inner corner. So strawberry, vanilla, and chocolate. Alright, so they do build up really nicely, so right away this pink one isn't nearly as pigmented, but building it up, it does a good job, and it's nice that you can build it up. Okay, so now I am going to go in with the color MIA, which is this blue shimmery shade right there, which I love. This is this right here, this is the main color I was so excited for. So I'm going to go in with that, and I'm just going to use that same pink brush. Okay, that one, holy crap, that's a lot of pigment on that one. Okay. Okay. So now I've done that. I'm going to go back through with the angled brush, and I'm going to take that Duet color again, and just darkening my crease up a little bit more in the outer corner. Okay, and I'm just going to go through with the blending brush and blend this all out because that other brush was not doing that for me. And once again, just take a little bit of that naked color and apply that to the top and to help blend it out. Okay, and now I'm going to go through and do the under eye makeup, and I'm going to use the brush that was included in there, the Go Girl Go brush. I'm going to start with the color Naked first and apply that underneath of my eyes. Okay, and now I'm just going to go through with MIA, the blue shade right here again, and that is going to go right underneath, start in the outer corner and work my way in. And now I'm just going to go through with a little bit of concealer to clean up the underneath of my eyes. Okay, and now I'm going to go through with the double decker mascara that we received in our box. And we will see how this looks. This wand is like pretty big, but I kind of like the shape of it. We will see how it performs. I can say that it's pretty good at separating the lashes, but I don't really feel like it's really like giving me a bunch of volume. Like, I prefer my Tarte mascara over this. I don't know how often I will be using this. This will probably just be like when I'm trying to be quick and on the go, because I don't know, like I know I have mascaras that are better than this one, but it's a ner for me. Okay, so now I'm going to go through with the Pretty Vulgar blush and see how that goes. Okay. I like this. I like it a lot. So, yeah. And I'm not going to put any lipstick or anything on right now because my lips are chapped, so I just got chapstick on. So my final review for this Boxycharm this month is I really do like the eyeshadow palette. It's just like, you know, if you used pure eyeshadow palettes before, which we have gotten them, the formula is pretty much the same. The colors are pretty good. You know, some of them are really pigmented, some of them aren't as pigmented, but they're all buildable, so I think that that's a really good thing. And then the mascara, I'm not a big fan of. It really didn't do anything like extra crazy. It wasn't like what it said, like how it was 200% more volume or whatever the heck it claimed. I get better results from my Tarte mascara and from a few others that I have. And the eye gels I will try, but I don't know. I'm not really excited about those. I think it's cool that it's something that's like different, but I would rather just that be makeup in my opinion. And then the brushes, I like the brushes. I feel like they do a good job. They're not like, oh my gosh, these are the best brushes ever, but they're makeup brushes, and I'm happy to get them in subscription boxes pretty much no matter what, because you always need them. And not only that, but what happens is I can use those instead of cleaning my other ones. And then the blush, I really like the blush. I feel like the blush is really pretty. The color is really nice and complementing to my skin tone, so I can really appreciate that. But this is our finished look. I do not have any highlight or anything on right now though, but this is our look using our Boxycharm products. I definitely feel like I'm going to get a lot of use out of that palette. I really like the colors, so yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got anything different, let me know what you got. And if you liked it, what you thought about this month's box. And yes. Oh, and one more thing. There is a sneak peek that is on Boxycharm, and they're saying that we will get a ColourPop palette next month in April, and right now there's no waiting list, so if you sign up you will get that ColourPop palette, and I will post my referral link for you down below. It's not an affiliate link, it just helps me earn charms so I can get free makeup. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.